Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again, and today, as you can see in the title down below, I will be doing a mini giveaway for you guys because I just want to thank you guys for all the supports, for all the likes, for all the comments that I have received, for the good comments, and yes, for all the subscribers. You who subscribe to me, thank you so much kasi kung wala kayo, ayun, hindi ko siguro pagpapatuloy yung pag-YouTube ko. Syempre, kung walang naniniwala sa'yo, di ba? Parang, bakit mo pagpapatuloy yung isang ginagawa mo kung wala namang naniniwala sa'yo? So, thank you sa pagtitiwala nyo, sa skills ko, sa pagdadada ko, sa harap ng camera. So, yes, sa mga nai-entertain or kung ano man yung reason nyo kung bakit kayo nag-subscribe sa channel na to. And I hope with this simple giveaway, yun, masiyahan man lang kayo or mga pag-give back man lang ako kahit in a very simple way. So I will just put the mechanics down below on how to join or on how to win the giveaway. So yes, let's proceed with the things that I will be giving away. Itong products sa mga ipapamigay ko are already seen. Most of them are already seen in my previous videos. So, yun. Hindi na kayo magtataka kung bakit ko sila ipapamigay. Kasi, di ba, nagustuhan ko nga sila. So, let's start with this favorite of mine. So, this is the Argan Oil na makeup remover wipes. So, you're gonna get one of this and another Blaque activated charcoal. Ito yung na-review ko na. I will just put the link down below if you wanna see the review of this product. So, ito yung activated charcoal or activated carbon na ginagawa kong mask. We also have these two babies here na mga blotting sheets. Ito yung Shine Free Pearlized tsaka yung Rose Scent na oil control sheet or blotting sheets. And then we also have Eye White 2-Minute Miracle Whitening Miracle, I mean. So, na-review ko na rin to. Gusto ko tong product na to. I use them as often as I can. So, ayan. So, papamigay ko rin sila. And, of course, the favorite and the ever-famous Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. We also have two here. And, we also have Eye White BB Holic Everyday BB Cream in the shade Beige and Light. Kasi, syempre, hindi ko sure kung ano yung shade ng makaka-receive nito. So, I will just give this to this facial wash Whitening Vita. Ito, super guys, squeaky clean talaga yung pagkakalinis ng face. So, I will be giving away two. And we also have the Eye White Nose Pack here na dalawa din. The 365 Daily Mask, you will also receive one of this. And another Silk Hydrating Illuminating Facial Mask. Ayan. Diba, sobrang cute nila kasi parang mga Korean products, parang mga Japanese products. So, yes, you will get two of this. And of course, if you watch my swap with Sis Trezzy, ayan, binigyan ko din siya ng product na ganito. This is the moisturizing foot soap kasi, diba, sabi ko nga, kailangan to ng mga paan natin, lalo na yung mga nag-work dyan na girls. Ayan, nagustuhan ko talaga siya kasi nakaka-soften siya ng paa. Ayan, ang gandang scrub after na nagsusok na ganito. So, I will be giving away one of this. My favorite whitening product, eto siya, the Kojisan. So, you're gonna get 3 soaps here. Ayan. And of course, hindi mawawala ang body scrubs, which is my favorite. This is the Whitening Milk and Salt Scrub in Papaya Extract. So, sobrang nakaka-relax to guys pag nararab na yan sa skin nyo, lalo na yung mga pagod sa work. And the last but not the least for the cosmetics or do I have cosmetics here? Yes, and skin product. I will be giving away these two Sassy Girl Shimmer Lip Gloss in Hard Candy. You're gonna get these two. This is the hot pink and the parang ano ba to? Violet and white stripes like that. And of course, kasi madaming nagtataka kung saan ko daw nabili tong frame na ito, yung Just Understand. I will be giving away one frame. If you've watched already my vlog, I don't know if I included that, pero sinabi ko sa isang vlog ko, alam kong na-insert ko yung clip na yun, na ako ang nag-layout ng ano na yan, ng frame na yan, yung nakalagay sa frame na yan, and I will be giving away one of this, again, na nilayout ko. Ito siya, para siyang wing, or feather, I mean. This is a feather and it says, spread your wings, and I will be giving away this. Parang similar lang sila. Kasi ano siya, parang watercolor style din, parang yung Just Understand na nandun. And of course, kasi madaming nagsasabi na mahirap daw maghanap ng mga baskets na to. And nakita ko yung mga divisory hole and everything, mga Daiso, ganyan. And natutuwa talaga ako pag nakikita ko sa I will be giving away these 3 babies here. Ito siya. Mga gustong-gusto ko itong mga to kasi pinaglalagyan ko ng brushes, ng mga nakasachet na products, ganyan. So, ayan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng purple and one, sky blue. Yes, and this green. Ayan, kasi sobrang cute nila. Ayan. So, makakakuha kayo ng 3 paglalagyan nyo ng mga products na ibibigay ko. And, for the last thing na ibibigay ko, sobrang addict ko lang sa baskets, guys. So, I will be giving away this basket as well. So, ayan. Ano bang kulay nito? Parang cream na parang pinkish siya. So, ayan. Ibibigay ko din to, guys. So, that's all the things that I will be giving away. If you're interested on how to join, just look at the description box down below. I will just be putting all those things there, yung mga information na kailangan nyo. And make sure you subscribe, of course, kasi kailangan natin yan. Subscriber para masaya dito sa channel natin. So, yes, if you have an Instagram and Facebook, you can follow me and you can like my page, JoyOfMia. And I'll see you again, guys, on my next video. Bye!